welcome back to another video. Today we have the table saw and a free stand. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Big shout out to my man Two Mandos. That's his Instagram name, I believe. Two Mandos. Yep, guys, this is back in stock. This is a really good deal. This is a smoking deal. If you want a table saw, you're getting a free stand. Check this out, $359, guys. $359 for the Dewalt table saw and a rolling stand. This is a really good deal. If you guys could see right there to the right, what it says: 8 1/4 table saw, rolling stand, 8 1/4 saw blade, grip fence, 2 blade change wrenches, miter gauge, modular guard system, push stick. So you're getting all that. It says right there, 15 amp corded 8 1/4 job site table saw with bonus heavy duty rolling table saw. Yeah, this is a really good deal. Definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.